Well, welcome back to 12 News at 4. Right now, the phone lines are open at the Boys and Girls Clubs of the Valley. They're taking donations to try to help young people make healthy decisions.
Yeah, let's send things back out to Team 12's Tram I. And Tram, this is such a great organization.
Oh, Karibe, it really is. We are in the computer lab right now where esports is the hottest thing for these teenagers. And I want to talk to some lovely ladies who really help make a difference and help make this all possible. We've got Susan from RSI Refrigeration School. Susan, you've donated $40,000 in scholarships. Why was that so important to go to the Boys and Girls Club?
Well, RSI really wants to help students get into a skilled trade. And with those scholarships, we're hoping to be able to help students get into a field that offers them opportunities in welding, electrical, HVAC. These are really lucrative careers that can just, springboard them into wonderful opportunities. So we wanted to partner with the Boys and Girls Club and offer them those scholarships.
And Sam, you are with Youth Force here with the Boys and Girls Club. Tell me how that makes a difference when you get those scholarships.
Yes, this opportunity, it's a great opportunity for our teens, 16 through 19, that go through our career exploration and internship opportunities to help them identify a career, a trade, or college, and help them get a jump start in their careers.
That is a huge difference for their future. All right, these kids having so much fun. Arabella, you've been going here for how long?
I've been going here for 5 years.
Is this your favorite room?
Yeah.
Yeah, next to the arcades?
Yeah, I like the arcade room too.
What game do you love the most?
Mortal Kombat.
Oh boy. All right, don't mess with her. Okay, there she goes. Okay, you guys, we are going to be here till 7 o'clock, so please donate. The phone number 480-345-CLUB. I wish you could see my producer holding up this sign. It's fantastic. Matt, thank you so much. I was trying to put him on TV. Matt, thank you. Back to you guys.
Matt doing the job out there. Well, let's give you a live look as we continue this hurricane.